Everybody, we're back with another risk versus reward income stream. This one is YouTube. Let's dive in. In this series, I'm sharing with you the different income streams that I'm building, and we're tearing apart kind of the risk or reward to make sure you're pursuing the best income stream for you. This one's about YouTube. I actually have been growing this YouTube almost identical to the duration of KDP. So KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing, has made me almost $60,000 in 17 months. And I have been documenting the journey on YouTube. So through that process, I got monetized. And in those 17 months, I've made $382 from YouTube. So this is really interesting to look at because you might be thinking like, oh, this is not a good payoff compared to Amazon KDP. But you guys, never once have I woken up in the middle of the night about my YouTube channel. Never. So we're going to talk about the risk and rewards, right? So in this series, we're talking about income streams that are lower risk, high risk, and just breaking down just my personal experience of how I have been building income streams. So we're going to focus on the rewards first of YouTube and then the risks. Every income stream for this series is rewards and then risks. So the rewards, it's really easy to sign up. You need a Gmail account. Most countries allow you to participate in the monetization program, which is called YouTube Partners. When you sign up, it's pretty straightforward. You need to get 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers to be able to start monetizing your channel. And for me, this was a slow and steady race. It's just uploading what I was excited about, right? The cool thing about YouTube, as you guys know you're here, is it's audience centric. So I'm uploading videos to help you guys learn from my mistakes. And I just love that. I love that it's legacy building. So in a couple of years, we'll find more people to join our community that want to build additional passive income streams. And it's really something that my kids can be like, my mom's on YouTube. My kids already talk about it. It's really silly. But I really like the legacy income potential here. And this allows me to grow multiple income streams, this is the first part. Like, oh, Jenny, you've only made $382. Yeah, it's because YouTube is allowing me to affiliate market. It's allowing me to coach you guys. Some of you are my clients. This allows me to grow multiple income streams, right? Even documenting the journey of KDP. With that accountability, I don't know that I would have already been to almost 60 grand in 17 months, you guys. I am an obligator. I was raised as a people pleaser. Yeah, I'm going to therapy for that. But if I can make people's lives easier, that's what I was raised to do. And that's what I'm trying to transform my YouTube channel to. So we could totally go down the rabbit hole about people pleasing and things like that. Different video. Creative expression. This one is my favorite reward. I actually love connecting with you guys. So to me, that's worth $382. And the cool thing about the YouTube monetization, there's no profit gap. I am not a normal YouTuber. You guys can see I have 490 videos. I just want to creatively express myself. And YouTube is the place for me to do that, okay? Let's talk about the risks. Let's talk about them. You can get demonetized. There's a list of, things that you're not supposed to do on YouTube, and you can get demonetized. But guess what? You can still promote your affiliate links. You can still build an email list. Your channel can get deleted. That one can be scary. I've never actually met anyone that's happened to. And the risk is that it's a long game. It's not fun to think about having to wait 4 or 5 years to live off of one income. But do we really want to live off one income? No. Okay. The other risk is that there might be spammers. I have a coach that his podcast channel was taken over by spammers. And it's because their team was so big that someone logged in as someone else and somebody approved it. So you just need to be careful with the risks. Spammers are obviously everywhere, but I really love the rewards to YouTube. And the long game is maybe that actually should be in the reward spot. Like maybe it shouldn't actually be a risk. Maybe the legacy building is something that transforms us and forces us to be patient, which we all know as a human society, we need more patience, empathy, and love in the world. So if you have not got yourself a channel, you probably wouldn't be able to comment on this video. But I would just want to encourage you to think about YouTube as a way to show your grandchildren the life that you lived. Like, are you journaling so they can read your journal? Is there anywhere that your kids can go to see the type of legacy that you're building? A couple of you that follow me don't have any subscribers, and sometimes I'll subscribe to you because I want you to start creating content. You know, there's channels like me and Danny on Demand where like I show my face, I'm showing my face more, but like Danny on Demand's done an incredible job building a community without coming on camera. So you guys see my little picture in the top right corner. This is Loom. I actually have a link for Loom if you need it, but it's $10 a month. And I record my screen and I put together slideshows in Canva to let you guys know what I'm working on. And I will be coming more. I'm going to come on camera more, but this allows me to create a ton more content for you guys, because a lot of stuff I just want to share with you, and sometimes I feel like the slideshows like reinforce that, you know, when you read it, you think about it. If you guys think all of these things would be more entertaining just watching my face and mouth and eyes move, then let me know. I'm gonna do more forward facing, you know, camera facing videos. But the rewards for this, you guys, if you said, Jenny, you had to pick an income stream between X and YouTube, I might pick YouTube depending on what the X is. There is only 2 or 3 income streams I would put above YouTube because of these rewards, and you guys might know what those are. But there are, okay, I'll say it this way. I have some income streams that make me a good amount that I would give up if I had to pick between YouTube and that income stream. Am I shooting my shot? That's like I'm dating multiple people and I already know like long term this guy's going to be better than this other guy that like is my sugar daddy. That sounds horrible. Let's think about income streams like that, and then that will force us to become platform independent. I'm an independent woman. In terms of yeah, I did get married older in life in the culture that I was raised in. The culture that I was raised in, people get married immediately, like 18, boom. A lot of my sisters got married at 18, boom. My brothers, almost all my brothers, I have 2 brothers. One brother was married before me for sure, and he's younger than me. And my youngest brother, 10 years younger than me, got married 1 year after me. So everyone's getting married young. And what does getting married young have to do with income streams? Let's pick income streams that we want to marry for the long time, till death do us part, maybe even into eternity, right? And that is YouTube for me. That's one of them. I'm going to share more in this series, but I can't force you guys to start creating content on YouTube, but you will see me enjoy these rewards, helping you guys by sharing my mistakes. And I've been thinking a lot about this. I need to do a video about this, but if you're publishing on KDP, then you have content that can be repurposed. So maybe you need to set up a KDP, maybe you need to set up a YouTube for your best-selling KDP books and start doing YouTube shorts of the interior, and like use a voiceover if you don't want to do your voice, but like What if you had a best-selling book on KDP and then you gave it a YouTube channel and it blew up, and then all of a sudden you had 2 income streams from your best-selling book, and then you had a website where people could just buy it from you and buy it in bulk for a certain price, and then you would have 3 income streams. Like, there's just so many beautiful possibilities. I want to hear all your thoughts about risk reward series. I want to hear all your thoughts about, like, why haven't you started a YouTube channel? That's actually the main thing I want to see in the comments, is like your reasons for not having a YouTube income stream. Love you guys. Peace out.